Smart Integration Essentials is a cloud-based solution that includes two very useful applications: Scan to Email with the option to convert hard copy documents into searchable and editable digital file format, and Mobile Printing for employees and guests. Here are the steps required to enable Smart Integration Essentials on your Ricoh MFP. When a subscription for Smart Integration Essentials is created for a customer, the customer administrator will receive two emails: account creation with SI account credentials, email address, and initial password. Customer administrator goes to the Ricoh MFP and performs the following. Look for and select the application site icon on the home screen. Look for and select Smart Integration Apps. Select Install twice. Installation has been completed. Click Home and confirm that the Smart Integration Apps icon is installed on the home screen. Select Smart Integration Apps and select Login. Use the login credentials sent in the first email. Confirm Print Cloud and Scan to Email icon appears. Part 2. Program frequently used email addresses and frequently used subject lines. Browse to https://www.na.smart-integration.ricoh.com/site/login. Log in with admin credentials. Click on Application Management. Click on Scan to Email. Add frequently used email addresses in the dictionary and click Save. If necessary, add frequently used subject lines. Configuring one-touch buttons for Scan to Email. Log in to https://www.na.smart-integration.ricoh.com/site/login as an administrator. Click on Application Management. Click on Add an Application. Select Scan to Email, then Next. Change the label and the icon as needed, then save. Click the newly created icon. Set file format as needed. Populate the Email To section with the default email address. Populate subject line as needed. Click Save. The One Touch button is now available on the MFP panel. Notice the pre-configured email address, subject line, and OCR file format. Repeat steps to create additional One Touch buttons.